Hey Jules, I'm going to do a really quick updo with a, it's like a feed-in braid, but it's just a big braid going at an angle up into a big bun at the back. And this is not freshly washed hair. I need to detangle it and re-moisturize it. Stay tuned. So I have the front section off. You probably can't see it, but I have the front section off. It's just a part going from the ear to the mid, a little part past the mid part, scalp, a part of your hair, I'm sorry. It's past the mid point of your hair. So you got about a quarter left. And I have that braid just stopping right there. And the back is gonna be brushed up into a bun. This is your ponytail. And what I did was twist the ponytail down. And this is what we have for the actual braid that's gonna go across this section. I have my bobby pins, and I'm just gonna start pinning the ponytail. Well, first let me slick up my edges, cause they looking real bad. Okay, so put your edge control on your edges, and just slick up your hair. Come on, edge control. And so I'm just slicking my ponytail to the best of my ability. Okay, now you have your hair slicked up. And you're just going to pin your twist in the way you want it. So you just tuck your ends and you just pin. So I just took that piece and I just laid it over the back. And I'm gonna wrap it around the ponytail. And I'm gonna pin. So let's start braiding. So I'm just going to add some edge control. I just scratched my forehead and I took a chunk of skin out of it. Oh, I'm exaggerating, but I did scratch my forehead with my nail and it hurts so bad. So we have the edge control on there. And we're just going to start braiding. Start by pulling your braid gradually as you go up. You're going to loosen it, so it should have that illusion that it's like a feed-in braid. I'm going to go in and add this edge control to the side of my hair, because now I'm going to tuck the actual braid. So you just take that braid and wrap it around the ponytail. And you just pin it. Edge control or add gel to your braid. Give you all a twirl as always.